Okay, it's firewood season. I gotta cut some more wood, so I thought I would show you all how to do the ratio right. So this thing is awesome. I'm just gonna mix a gallon of chainsaw gas and oil. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the gallons, 1 gallon, and I'm gonna go down here to 50 to 1. So we're just gonna measure out up to the 50 to 1 mark. If you can see that, it's right above that line. So I'm gonna keep going just a little bit till we get to the 50 to 1 mark. There we go. It's at the 50 to 1, if you can see that, 50 to 1. Okay, the next step, we're just going to mix up our gallon. This has practically nothing in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this in. You could add gas to this before you pour. I'm going to go ahead and pour this in because I know we just measured it. And my 50 to 1 is just for my chainsaw. That might vary depending on your brand. Okay, for the final step, I could of course pour our gas into our little container. I'm going to use the Ratio Rite though to go in between, and that's going to help clean it up. Alright, so I'm just going to swirl that around a little bit to get that oil going. Now we're practically clean already. The gasoline really works as a solvent there. And that's how the Ratio Rite works. Just pick what target size container you're looking at. I was 1 gallon, go down to the measurement you want, 50 to 1 for me. Pour it in, and then keep adding gas to your container. So I'm going to go fill this up right now. Give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Homestead Y'all.